bird on a tree.
Hey guys, just back in the woods again. Finished early today, so I'm going to do a little tarp series, I think, and show you my 3 favourite tarp setups. I might do it in a 3-part, so just show you around on the first one, and then do a little demo on how I set them up. Right, today, excuse the work stuff by the way, just had a few hours after work, so I thought I'd get out here. Today I'm going to be doing some tarp shelters with the DD multicam. This is 3x3 tarp from DD. So versatile. I use usually 3 or 4 different variations that I'll go through. I'll go through at least 3 of them today. And I'm going to do a few separate videos just so you can see the tutorials on how they go up and the pros and cons of each of them. But this is basically it. Nice and small, fits in the backpack, use them as day shelters or for sleeping overnight. Right, I'll go through them all now. Right, the first variation I'm going to do is the tarp tent. I've chosen the worst day, the audio is probably horrific and the tarp keeps blowing away while I'm setting up, so I'm going to run through it quickly and show you how it's done. Stretch the corners out. Okay. So from here, we find our corner tab, come in one from the back, put that down, and then find the corner one again, miss another one, pull it taut, peg that in. So then we come over to the other side and do the same thing. Straight across from there, peg it, miss out the corner one, and go across, peg that in, nice and taut with that. Right, with these back flaps that are missing, just tuck those underneath, tidy it up a bit, and then you come to the front of the tarp. So you're going to pull it all out straight. And you get the opposite corner, it's got tied up. Find your centre point, which is just about in frame. I might move you back a bit. So you find the front corner. We don't go there to the next tie-up point. Go in from that about 6 or 7 inches. So find where that is, mark it. Peg there. This will decide how big the door is. We'll do the same on the other side. First bit in, halfway across there. Pull it taut from the back. This is going to be your door. So far we've used 6 pegs. Minimum requirement for this is 7. So next is a hiking pole. So if you notice I put the string bits, the reinforced bits, all the way along the front of the tarp. Okay, that is now your entrance created. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is peg out the front. Making sure that it's in line with those pegged out bits in the middle. And then the last thing to do with the excess is fold that back. Same goes the other side. So that is the quick and easy tarp tent. I'll show you in time. Okay, so here it is, a little bit wonky there, but as you can see, it's a good size shelter. Fit 2 people in there easy. I've got to say, just here, I've put the other walking pole just to bring the back out a bit, just to give it a bit more stability. If I go in, I'm laying down flat, got all this space next to me. I could even lay that way, feet that way, loads of room. Can even sit up in this bit. One of the pegs has come out, so it's a bit flappy, but you get the idea.
Take a step back.